Electric vehicle push bumps up against chaos in the nickel market. Surging nickel prices threaten to put a dent in EV ambitions. Miner caught in squeeze may offer to ease supply crunch. You need that nickel, don't you? Precious metals, materials. I think you actually need nickel in for regular cars or combustion cars as well.
Yeah.
But nickel for electric vehicles.
Like raw material for batteries.
For sure, yeah. Lithium, all these things. A global push among automakers to expand their lineups of electric vehicles just got a lot more expensive. Surging nickel price. I mean, what isn't surging right now? It's all surging. All the materials, all the natural resources, it's all surging. Mm-hmm. Surging nickel prices threaten to put a dent in the auto industry's EV ambitions, with key battery metal caught up in the war, induced supply worries, and a short squeeze that sent prices to unprecedented highs. Analysts say prices will subside from current stratospheric levels. The bad news is they could remain elevated and add hundreds of dollars in costs. Well, listen, we already know it's hard enough to make these things in a timely manner with the timelines on this. The Teslas and the Rivians and even the Ford Lightning. It's like, yeah, we're going to probably push that back a little bit. Mm-hmm. We're going to probably push that back a little bit. And so this only adds to that delay. You had chip shortages. Now he's just talking about pricing. And this was another thing. You know, somebody said, Will, and this is not related necessarily to this nickel situation, but somebody said that you should get today's Bronco price, your contract, in writing.
I did, yeah. They actually told me that the price is not going to change in 2023.
Okay. Well, somebody said...
based on my contract.
Somebody had said...
That's a good point, though.
Based on their own experience.
Well, Rivian.
Well, Rivian did it, and then they backtracked.
Yeah.
And it was for everyone.
But even like on the dealer level, they can just be like, we've got another buyer that was willing to pay
a lot more.
And you just, if you have a contract, if you got it in writing, you got it in writing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The guy's just trying to help you out, Will.
No, I appreciate it.
They love your build.
Thank you.
Prices rose as much as 250% in the last 2 days. In 2 days, more than $100,000 a ton. A 100-watt kilowatt-hour battery would require about $3,100 worth of nickel, which is more than double last year's average cost. You see that? It's biting into the profit margins. I didn't know that. 100-kilowatt battery, $3,000 worth of nickel. Nickel metal hydride. I'm just battery tech. I'm sure there's different implementations.
You had to say it, though.
Nickel metal hydride?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun to say.
Sure.
You want to try it?
No.
Mo? What about lithium ion? No. Okay.
Aluminium?
Oh, aluminium. There you go.
That's a good one.
Yeah. The people in the UK will love that.
Yeah.
Made of one solid piece of aluminium. Solid brick of aluminium.